Welcome to Home Decor Hall, a dedicated YouTube channel for your dream home decoration requirements. You can update yourself every day with latest and exceptional design ideas. I shall try to get all relevant issues for your discovery. If you wish to get any particular design idea, you can mention at comment section. In this video, you shall see Halloween party decoration ideas for your home. The best Halloween decorations for kids are more fun than frightening. Whether you decide to go for a glam Halloween look or hum up the horror with something ghoulish will largely depend on the age of your kids. Of course, and Halloween can be a bit of a mixed bag for children. On the one hand, they are excited by the idea of dressing up in spooky costumes and eating lots of sweets and Halloween treats, but some of the ghoulish stuff they see in the shops and on TV can give little kids the creeps. On way around this is to indulge in simple fun stuff like Halloween crafts and Halloween food, plus decorating your house in ways that little ones won't find scary. Fill orange bags full of garden leaves and style them as pumpkin and keep at your front door or in the garden to set a spooky yet practical scenes for visitors. The perfect prop for turning your home into a spooky setting for Halloween. It's likely to ward off a few unwanted guests too. Only the bravest trick or treaters will surely set foot past this hairy monster. Door decor is all the rage these days, but if that's a bit much for your budget, tracking down the best Halloween decoration that won't actually frighten your kids out of their wits is not easy. But if you are going all out with a Halloween lawn display, this friendly inflatable ghost definitely won't terrify the toddlers. It's ultra durable and weather resistant, so you can use it again year after year with glowing internal LED lights. It self-inflates in minutes and plugs into any standard outlet. If you want to ramp up the spook factor for older kids, this Bad Gus decoration from Tesco is brilliantly effective. Add a toy spider or two and get the kids to cut out bats from black paper and voila, a frightfully spooky fireplace. Light up the darkness with these pretty pumpkin fairy lights. Meant for indoors, they are made for glass, so they are only suitable in homes while little hands won't make a grab for them or somewhere safety out of reach. They are hand finished and give off a warm white LED glow, just the thing or scaring of monsters. I believe this video will help you to get better ideas for Halloween party decoration ideas. For latest updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.